today breaded chicken breast cutlets. 2 ways. We're making shakshuka today.
Are you looking to up your cooking game in 2022? Well, have I got an offer for you. In my 10-course video series, I not only teach you the secret sauce of Cali Mediterranean food, pastry, and lifestyle, but I also make it fun and delicious. So step into my kitchen today and let's get started already. Enroll in one course or buy all 10. You'll also get downloadable recipes with every video. Come on now, enroll today. So fresh. I'm gonna flip that guy over because that's just about perfect. Let's check this guy. Oh, perfection. Just a little splash. Parsley. Let me know how it turns out.